Good day, sir. I am Julito Hiva Anong, sir, and BSMR E3 Alpha. Allow me briefly discuss about the four-stroke and two-stroke engines. Four-stroke engines, it takes the complete revolution of the crankshaft to complete the four series of events. So, four-stroke engines are more efficient due to less demand for fuel. Fuel is consumed once every four-stroke versus two. Four-stroke engines are better for the environment due to reduced emissions, while two-stroke engines, it takes one complete revolution of the crankshaft to complete the four series of events. So, two-stroke engines are rarely used because in these engines, the problem of scavenging occurs. Scavenging is termed as incomplete combustion of fuel and air mixture. Some of the fuel doesn't get burned out. It goes into the exhaust without getting it combustions. So, we talk about advantage and disadvantage of two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. Two-stroke engine, for same power, it is lighter and occupies less floor area. For same speed, two times power is developed than four-stroke engines. Lighter flyweight foundations, mechanism is simple as there is valve. More consumptions of lubricating oil, while four-stroke is for same power, it is heavier and occupies more floor area. For same speed, half power is developed than two-stroke engines. Heavier flywheel foundation is required. Mechanism is complicated. Less consumptions of lubricating oil. And that's all for my video, sir, for the two-stroke and four-stroke engines. Thank you.